Okay, it's July 7th, 2021, and I thought I'd give a little update so far. This, between having family in and work and flying, this is what I have done so far. So this is the rudder. We've actually got this side cut out down here, and all of the holes drilled out to the silver Cleco size along that edge. We've got the center rib in, and I've got the holes marked, and here's the end rib. I've got like that was my practice hinge piece part, and it happens to fit nicely between the two holes that are in that end rib, so I can use it to adjust it in and out. So what I need to do next is get this part bent here where that black line is, and that seems to be the biggest problem, is finding a way to bend that reliably. I'm hoping to be able to do that in the next week or so, and then I'll be able to put that in there so that when I go to drill the holes into the end like that, then it will be a straight line instead of, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks a little like it bends a little there. So I want to make sure that the end ribs are in so that it will be straight. And that's the progress so far as of July 7th, 2021.